Hello friends, so once again welcome back on this YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about installing a fast boot drivers on our Windows PC to unlock the bootloader or to root our Android devices like Redmi devices, OnePlus devices, asus devices, Poco X3 devices and many more. So this time we shall try to install the Fastboot driver on our Windows 11 PC, and for that we need to download minimal ADB Fastboot driver. Search on the Google this keyword, and this is the XDA website, and from here we can find the link of the website. Okay, just like this. So these are the supported version that are available to download, and the download links are also available. So we need to, so let's click on the download and wait for the download to be complete. So now the download has been completed, and now I need to copy this downloaded file in a C drive. Okay, so just paste here and extract this folder, this zip folder in a C drive, and open the folder, and here we can see the ADB setup. So just open this file, that is ADB setup, and follow the on-screen instruction to install the Fastboot driver or on our Windows PC. So now we need to press Y, then Y again, and we can see that 4 files has been copied. Then press Y again and click on next. Okay, so we can see the Google driver has been installed. Google USB driver has been installed now. That means the Fastboot driver has been installed for the Windows PC, and now we need to find the particular driver for our devices also, like a Redmi devices or OnePlus devices or whatever the device you wish to connect. We have to download that particular device Fastboot driver, and you can find the link on the description box, so you can check the link for the download the files. And we also need to download Sdk Platform Tool that are supported for the newer version, like right now the newer devices supports platform tools, and so we need to download the Sdk Platform Tools. So just open this website and follow the on-screen instruction and download the Android Sdk Platform Tools. Okay, and again the download link is available in the description box, so you can check the link in the description box and wait for this download to be complete. And once the download is complete, we need to open this folder again and copy the file, downloaded file, in the C drive and paste there. Okay, and again extract the folder over here and continue and open the file, and you can find all the Fastboot files and the drivers available there. Okay, for our Windows PC to detect the Fastboot drivers, if you install the particular Fastboot driver for your own device also. Okay, so these are the files available. Okay, and now we can open the CMD as the administrator, and let's see whether the Fastboot drivers are installed or not. Right now I am using the Asus Max Pro M1, and I have connected the device in a Fastboot mode and also downloaded the Fastboot driver for our Asus Max Pro M1 devices also. Okay, so the files has been installed now, and for the and right now I shall rename the Fastboot or the platform tool folder, so that it will be easy for me to type the folder name in a CMD. So you can also rename the folder as per your choice. Okay, so now we have to enter some Fastboot command here to verify whether the device is connected or not. So I shall type Fastboot devices, and I can see the serial number of the device. That means that Fastboot drivers are installed, and and the device is detected in a Fastboot mode on our Windows PC. So friend, this is how we can install the Fastboot driver and the ADB driver on our Windows PC. So this is all about this video. If you like the video, please like the video, please share the video, and please subscribe the channel for support. Thanks for watching the video.